Just another quick video, guys. Here, just got a leak in the intercooler. As you can see down there, it's a bit saturated and wet in the right hand corner, which is quite common on these vans. This is a Hyundai Iload or Hyundai Stravia, Hyundai i800, and the intercooler is just on the bottom of the engine here, underneath the front bumper. All you have to do is just remove that one casing, and then there's 4 12mm bolts that just sit right there, just on the top there, to each side, and the intercooler pipes. I'll see how bad they are. Depending on how bad they are, I might not clean them out, but see how bad they are. And then there's an oil cooler line connected to the front of the intercooler as well. But I'll whip it out, and yeah, then we'll carry on. Alright, so just set the intercooler out. As you can see there, it's leaking. It's quite obvious. It's all saturated around the bottom. I think there's a big crack in it as well. Was just dripping oil out of it, but it doesn't seem to be bad now. Doesn't look like it's filthy in there, saturated. That side, not too bad. There is a bit of oil in there. Right, yeah, there is a bit of oil in there, as you can see that. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pin sensor, and 1, 2, 3, 4 pin sensor. That's good, that's right. This is actually a genuine intercooler that I'm fitting now as well. As you can see, brand spankers. So that'll just be going back in. It's just 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that bolts in just underneath the bumper there. There's a sensor, and there's 2 brackets at the top here for the oil cooler pipe. I might just rest that there because I can actually get this bracket quite a lot of the way out. You can see there it's just dirty and saturated where the bottom of the intercooler has been leaking. So I'll just give that a clean. We'll get it back in. But yeah, there it is, the intercooler seated, and it's directly under the bumper on the Iloads. This is a 2.5 diesel, but it'll be same for the IMAX petrols as well. Thanks for watching, guys.